Okay, everybody, I've got about 10 minutes. This is an incredible time for me. I love product innovation. I love moving the needle. I love doing what people say you can't do. So let me start with a little presentation here. The breakthrough supplements the world has been waiting for, you're about to hear about. So the DDP system, it's the DDP system is absolutely detox, depend, and power up. You're going to learn about it today. You're going to learn about it throughout the rest of the week. It'll change your life and what you think about what's possible mentally and physically. So the DDP system is powered by the nano-encapsulation technology and ultra pure lipids that we created. Our partners have a patent pending on it. And we created one of the most potent, and really, you should learn this statement, the most potent, fastest delivery glutathione, mangosteen, and moringa supplements with the best bioavailability ever brought to market. That's what we created, and it's the DDP system. Introducing DDP, Detox, Defend, Power Up. I like to say 3 products, 4 seconds, forever changed. A breakthrough from breakthrough science, I like to say it changes your life. So it's breakthrough living. When nutrients finally reach your cells, which we'll talk about next, fast, potent, and bioavailable, the difference is undeniable. Look at those 3 products right there. They can take you to optimum health and financial freedom. So let's back up. Your body has about 37 trillion cells. And let me put that in perspective. When at conception, there's the male sperm and the female egg. They get together. Then it becomes 1. Replicates, it becomes 2. 2 becomes 4. 4 becomes 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. All the way up. All till you become that human being in 9 months approximately. Because what happens is, listen to me, the cells, and today it continues on at every age. Your cells become your tissues become your organs become your system, which become you. As you're listening to me right now, 3 million of your cells are dying and 3 million are replicating. It's 300 billion new cells every day. Trust me, this is our forte. These are our products. 3 mysts, 4 seconds, forever change. So, do you want to replicate after hearing that healthy cells or unhealthy cells? Unhealthy cells, you produce little energy. Your body's under attack. Your cells really 10,000 times a day, they say, and constantly free radicals doing damage. So you have to have products to counteract it. Antioxidants, glutathione, mangosteen, moringa. But unhealthy cells produce little energy and lots of harmful free radicals. A healthy cell looks beautiful. Just look at the right-hand side of that woman's face and just look at the cell, and they go together. Lots of energy, few free radicals, nutrients and oxygen, just vitality. But now I'm in for a special look at this. Those are cells from a microscope. Those are unhealthy cells. What's wrong with them? They're all clumped up. They're all pushed together. This is what healthy cells are supposed to look like. That's why we created the 3 mysts. DDP, your decision. You want to speed up the aging process, like on the left, or do you want to delay the aging process? I'll just tell you, healthy cells, happy life. So let me put my, I've got this screen in the way here. I'm going to hide the video panel. Let's see if we can do that. Show video panel, hide floating meeting controls. Okay, there we go. So xosialX, what we did is we changed the game, changed everything. So I'm going to introduce you to our discovery and innovation, the three major focuses. When they came to me and with the development team and everybody's excited, and when we did glutathione, when we did mangosteen with Collie Butler, when we did MoringaMyst with Pat, I mean, they said they talked about their ideas and their products and their love for them. And what we all then talked about is, okay, we have to have the highest potency, the most bioavailability, and the fastest delivery. If we can accomplish that, then we'll produce the product. Why? Because it's important, because if you have 100% potency and zero bioavailability, you got delivered zero. If you have 10 potency on a scale of 1 to 10 and bioavailability of 10%, that's nothing. It's like you got on a scale of 100, you got one. But what we strive for is the closest to 100% potency, 100% bioavailability, and 100% delivery. That moves the needle. To do that, you have to have size. You have to have nano-encapsulation as our technology. But before I talk about size and what we had to do with these molecules in each of those three different products that you can see on the screen, we had to nano size them. What size does that really matter? On the left of my screen, you'll see that's an electron microscope. These are so small, these nanoparticles, that nothing can see it. You have to use electron. So let me just give you a perspective, 70 microns. Now you're looking through a microscope now, it's all blown up. Human hair is 70 microns. If you come down to 40 microns, that's the naked eye threshold. You can't, the naked eye can't see anything below 40 microns. 25 microns is your white blood cells. 8 microns is your red blood cells. Dust and bacteria is 2 microns. I'm getting to the point here in a minute. 2 microns. Look at the little black dot down there. Now you're looking through a microscope, an electron microscope, and it's like, oh my gosh, you needed to see that. It's a little black dot. But wait a second, look closely. Look at the black dot. That's what we strive for. That's Moringa mix. We nano-sized it down from a leaf and seeds to what we call 80 nanometers. It's infinitesimal. And it's the surface area that does the work. So the 80 nanometers, just so you know, is up to 25 times smaller than the 2 microns. Our nano-encapsulation technology with ultra-pure lipids makes everything possible. They called me from the lab and they said, Dave, we got it. We did it. It happened. And I said, great. They go, what do we want? A pill, a pill powder, or a liquid? What format do we want it? And I said, no, none of that. I said, the best delivery is misting it onto the soft tissue of your mouth, because our nanotechnology will take it through your mucous membranes and into your blood. So how are we going to deliver it? Look at that heart. That's you. Put your hand on your heart. It's powerful. It beats 100 times a day, your heart. It pumps 2,000 gallons of your blood, 12,000 miles throughout your body per day. We're going to use your blood pumping 2,000 gallons to mist onto the soft tissue of our mouth to get into your blood, so that it does the carrying throughout the entire body. That's the breakthrough with nano-encapsulation and our patent pending technology. So, how quick does it take it around your body? When you mist onto the soft tissue, in as little as 4 seconds, it's to your blood, 15 seconds to your liver, and 2 minutes throughout your entire body. It's getting everywhere. It's immensely bioavailable. It's working. You're getting more than you're paying for the first time ever. Why the three myths work better together, which is why we're so happy that the Moringa people, the Pat, Freds, Reeds, and all of you that have come over with Moringa, we were like, okay, that it was new. The secret isn't just the three products, it's the DDP system. That's the branding. Detox, defend, power up. Why? Because you have to detox. GlutaMyst does the detoxing, clears the toxins out so your cells can operate freely. XanthoMyst Plus, remember, 10,000 times a day your cells are under attack, free radicals. Detoxing helps clear the toxins. XanthoMyst supports your 11 vital organ systems. It helps shield from the stress and premature aging. It neutralizes some of the free radicals. So if you detoxed and defend, you've helped save the cell, but that cell is injured. It's not the healthiest as it should be. And here comes MoringaMyst. Power up your damaged cells with dense nutrition and trace minerals to help promote cellular health so that you can perform at your peak mental and physical capabilities. By supporting all three simultaneously, these products, your DDP system, this protocol helps promote performance at the cellular level. So with the complete DDP system in one daily protocol, isn't it time you made it your system?